Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gale, here to share November's Double Shot Kit. So the Double Shot Kit includes two brand new collections. You get cardstock, pattern paper, embellishments. As you can tell, this month is just gorgeous, fun. We got simple stories. We have Jen Hatfield. Along with your kit, you also have access to two recipe cards, and these are for double page layouts. Our design team designs them for you, and they give you all of their instructions, their cutting, assembly, and they also give you a full color photograph of the finished layout so you can see what it looks like in the end. So that's always a lot of fun. Also, as a subscriber, you have access to a free exclusive cut file. These are designed by Cut to You, specifically for our subscribers. And this month is this gorgeous Our Home banner. So you could cut these all together for a big background. You could put photos on the banners, just so many ideas, or cut it smaller, take it apart and just use the title or the banners, the flowers. But it's going to go really well with this month's two collections. So let's jump right in, and I'm going to share up close all that you're getting this month in this double shot kit. The first collection we're going to look at is from Simple Stories, and this is Harvest Market, their fall collection, and I am in love. I just love the colors, the turquoise with the lighter blue and the green and the orange, and just that little pop of plum with the pink. It's something different, and I am just in love with it. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of white cardstock, a sheet of Caprice C cardstock. Your 3 pattern papers are this one called Harvest Season, which is a ledger with all of the different pumpkins, so you could fussy cut some of those if you like. The back is this gorgeous fall plaid. We have this one called Hello Autumn, which is all of the hexagons. So you could punch those out as well to add embellishments or designs on the pages. And then you get little glimpses of different icons that are in this collection. It's just gorgeous. The back is an orange plaid. Then we have Nuts About Fall, which is all of the acorns with all of that gorgeous patterned paper that you see throughout here. And the back is it's just a little like arrow. It kind of reads as a heart to me when you stand back and look at it, in that gorgeous plum color. So here you can see that color scheme. For your embellishments, you're going to get one of the sticker sheets. So all of the embellishments will vary, but this is the one I got, which is all of the word labels. You're going to get some of the foam stickers. So I got this piece that has apple cider, pie, and leaves, and then a jar of applesauce. And then you're going to get some of the ephemera or die cut pieces. So again, all of the embellishments will vary, but this gives you a good idea of what's in there. You're also going to receive 3 buttons. So this is something that Simple Stories is starting to come out with, and I just love that. I love that buttons are coming back in style. So that is Harvest Market from Simple Stories. Our next collection is Stardust from Jen Hatfield, and this is another really fun collection. You're going to start with 2 sheets of Fig Swirls cardstock. I love that color. It's a great neutral that goes with so many different collections. And a sheet of Guacamole. For your patterned paper, you're going to get this one that is called Stay Wild, which is all of the butterflies. These would be really fun to fussy cut and embellish some. The back is this green on green floral print, full branding strip of the other side. This paper that's called This Life, which is all of the tags with all different types of words on there. So these would be great to fussy cut and make some cards with your scraps, or you could also use them as titles and subtitles. You could put several together to make out a long title. The back is these little squares with the rainbows in it, with red on red. Well, kind of pink on red. This paper is called BFF, which is a yellow gold polka dot. The back is a green grid with a row of rainbows on each side, and then the branding strip is the dots from the other side. So that would be a great background. You could also fussy or cut these off for borders on this page or another layout, and build that grid up on top of a cardstock would be a fun little way to use that paper. So That is your pattern papers. For your embellishments, you're going to get some of the tags. So the ones that I got are pink, and it's Cute Girl, Today Was, Best Ever. So those are a lot of fun. And then you're going to get one side or the other of the sticker sheet. So this is a 6x12 sticker sheet. I got balloons and different fruits. You are a great friend. I love the little kitty cats here. Happiness and some buildings. So lots of options that you could use to create with this month's kit. So that is Stardust from Jen Hatfield. One more look at your double shot kit. Be sure to get all of your downloads downloaded. So join us over on the Facebook group and the blog. You'll find lots of inspiration from the design team, your fellow subscribers. You're going to find lots of challenges that you can participate in and win some great prizes. So thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with this month's kit.